Welcome to English for All with Khadija USA, learning step by step at your own pace.
Eyes Open 3, Unit 2, Lesson 9, A Balancing Act.
Welcome back to Eyes Open 3, designed especially for Grade 9. Open up your students' books, Unit 2, A Balancing Act. Page 24, Discovery Culture. Find out about life on the stage. Discovery Education. Let's go ahead and watch 2.2, A Life on Broadway, provided to you by Discovery Education through Cambridge Press.
A Life on Broadway.
Welcome to Broadway and New York City, the theatre capital of the United States. There are always lots of plays and musicals to see here. A lot of children dream of performing on a Broadway stage. Today, we're following the child actors of the popular musical Annie. The star of the show is only 12 years old. Children like her go to special acting schools. There, they train full-time to be actors and performers. They work very closely with the directors, and they rehearse for a long time every day. They are children living in an adult world. They have to learn very fast. It's a hard life, because some children have to leave home at a very young age, before they are teens. They miss their parents and friends, but they are also lucky. They can study for exams, and they can also do something really creative.
Here, boy. Here, Sandy. Sandy, here, boy. Here, Sandy. Sandy! Good, Sandy!
Also, they are professionals, and some become famous and can earn a lot of money. To be an actor, you have to work in a team. Apart from the director, there is the set designer who decides what is on stage. And the lighting designer. They use lights to help create the world of the play. The lighting designer also creates special effects, like the snow. Finally, after all the hard work, it's showtime and the audience claps. It's the moment that every actor loves.
You're always a day away.
Section 1. Look at the photos and answer the questions. Number 1. In which famous street in New York do they perform musical and plays? If you answer Broadway, you are correct. Number 2. How do you think children actors' lives are different to yours? Think about school, social activities, and money. Section 3. What subjects do they talk about? If you answered working long hours, living away from home, studying for exams, and earning a lot of money, you are correct. Section 4. Choose the correct words in the following sentences. Number 1. Many kids dream of being a director or performing on Broadway. Number 2. Many children train full-time or part-time to be actors and performers. Number 3. A lot of them leave home before or when they are teenagers. Number 4. Most or some child actors learn a lot of money. Number 5. The set designer decides or explains what goes on stage. Number 6. The lighting designer helps invent or create the world of the play. Number 7. The best moment for actors is when the audience claps or laughs. Now go ahead and circle your choices. Pause this video until you have done 1 through 7 and then resume once you have completed 4 corrections. Now, corrections, section 4. Number 1. Performing. Number 2. Full time. Number 3. Before. Number 4. Some. Number 5. Decides. Number 6. Create. Number 7. Claps. Section 5. Test your memory. Are the sentences true or false? Correct the false ones. Go ahead and do that right now. Pause the video until you have answered the 1 through 4 and resume for your corrections. Section 5. Number 1. Annie has blonde hair and blue eyes. If you answered false, excellent job. Annie has red hair. Number 2. Her dog is big and light brown. If you answered true, nicely done. Number 3. The girls are cleaning the floor with a brush and a bucket of water. If you answered true, nicely done. Number 4. The special effects include rain and snow. If you answered false, nicely done. Only snow is included. Reading. Page 25. Number 1. Look at the photos. Why do you think boys and girls want to go to these schools? Go ahead now and listen to the audio to discover this answer.
CD 1, Track 27. Listen to the article. La Masia Football Academy, Barcelona. La Masia is Barcelona's football academy. Some of the greatest footballers in the world have come from La Masia. The World Cup and the European Championships were full of players from this academy. There are about 80 boys between the ages of 11 and 18 at the academy. They go to school until 2:30 in the afternoon. Then they have lunch and a siesta. Most boys have to use this time to study and do their homework. In the evening, they watch TV or play video games before they go to bed. For these boys, football is their life. They train hard because they want to be the best.
The Royal Ballet School, London. The Royal Ballet School in the heart of London trains dancers and choreographers. The school has 2 buildings, one near Richmond Park for 11 to 16-year-olds and the other in Covent Garden for older students. Students at the school mix normal school subjects with their dance classes. Many famous ballet dancers have come from this school. To get into the school, students have to audition. they have to perform in front of judges from the school. Over 2,000 children attended auditions for the school in 2012. About 70 boys and girls get a place each year. There are students from all over the world. In the evening, when students aren't in class or practicing ballet, they can play tennis or play table football in the student halls.
Fact: the amount of energy needed to perform a ballet is about the same as playing 2 full football matches or running almost 29 kilometers.
Section 2. Corrections. A lot of famous people study there. You have to be 11 years old to study there. Students live away from their families. And also they study normal subjects too. Section 3. Which school do the sentences describe? Write LM for La Masia, RB for Royal Ballet, or B for both. Number 1 is an example. The school only has boys. This would be LM. Now go ahead and pause the video until you have done 2 through 6. Then resume the video for corrections. Number 2. If you answered both, excellent job. Number 3. If you answer both, nicely done. Number 4. If you answer RB, Royal Ballet, nicely done. Number 5. If you answered LM, good job. Number 6. If you answer RB, Royal Ballet, very good job. Section 4. Explore prepositions. Look at the highlighted words in the text. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. Pause the video lesson until you have finished Section 4, 1 through 6. Once you have completed this exercise, resume the video for your corrections. Number 1. Correction. In front of. 2. Over. 3. Of. 4. Until. 5. Near. 6. Between. Let's now jump to page 21 in your workbooks. Reading, Section 1. Read about the problems a teenager athlete has. Complete the text with the headings in the box. Section 2. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. Use the words in bold in the text to help you. Section 3. Choose the correct answers. Section 4. Write rules for Sam's life. You should, shouldn't, must, mustn't, and has to, doesn't have to, and the words in the box. Once you have completed this lesson, go ahead and do the quick quiz at the bottom of this lesson. Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos. See you in the next video.